Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's enter reset options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the DRM reset, so let's tap on it. Let's tap on it again, and here we've got the information that this operation will delete all the licenses on this device. Do you want to continue? If you want to, just tap on OK, and as you can see we've got the information that the licenses have been deleted successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset digital rights management in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.